okay guys, angazi ukuthi ungana uzofila kanjani ngale video ne, mara mina fanele ngisho ukuthi like kwenzakaleni, fanele nje nginicoceleni ukuthi kwenzakaleni weekend. Okay, shabu ngana uthi intombi mina ngekhaya. So are you comfortable ukuthi uhambe nami sekhaya because kunomsebenzi ngiyani and angithanda ukushiya uyi-one la rest, understand, because bengiyi-one abantu baye ku recess, understand. So it's like njengoba ngana grocery umuntu makathi asihambe sekuphi ngiyahamba mina guys, anginakudla ngiyahamba mawuthi siya Australia ngihamba nawe futhi angisabi nokusapha. Okay shabu, athi let me confirm first no mama ukuthi like like iyakhonakala ukuthi ngeza nomuntu ongaphansi, understand, hayi umuntu wasemndenini because ngiyacabanga ukuthi maybe intomdeni maybe abantu ba allowed, understand. I was like, oh okay cool, mfonele confirm naye. Okay cool sharp, athi hayi mama move umile ayisihambe nogele siye kubo emakhaya. Okay sharp, sihambe nogele masihamba. Okay sharp, siyafika masingena masingena afonele mama ke before singene egate. Oh mama ke eze namanzi asithela hey ngithi mina kwenzakalani, what's happening, wasithelo ngamanzi, like kwenzakalani, and I was like yo bengithukile somehow because angazi ngiattend like imisebenzi, you understand. Okay sharp, asithele ngamanzi before singena sithele. Okay sharp, singena ngifunela ukufonela mama because ngithethe like kwenzakalani ngawe intombi, like okay sharp, singena vele basingena. Hayi sihlale phansi vele masihlala phansi akakhuluma umgela umfonele before ngene gate masisingene gate akakhuluma akasho next. So nami ngithulile ngesaba nokubuza ukuthi like why singakhulumi ngani. Sihlale phansi ezeni ngibhawula lo umama yakhe vele ezeni bhawula makazene bhawula yo bhawula athusanyana samo iyathusa iyathusa. Okay ezeni bhawula makazene bhawula asiphe like amaphisi wenyama. Okay sharp ay basinikeze vele. Okay adla umngane so nami ngidle because kuyadliwa, angifuni bathi mina ngizenza u-cheese girl angidli kwenzakalani, you understand. Okay nami ngidla vele ngidle and bekugcwele vele angifuni ucabanga bekugcwele. Okay ngidle vele sidle nogela and then after that aqala ukukhuluma athi uphuzani vele ngisayi. Okay mchomi you know ukuthi ngiphuzani wesazi nje stuff sethu, you understand. Okay sharp makabuye vele buye namabheni mimosa. Okay sharp sicela vele ukuphuza. Okay mama ke eza zongikhuluma akabani sibonga kwenzakalani uphuma lapha yena ngisayi mina nginemakhaya vele, understand. Ngikhulule nje icebuzana sekahle honga ngathi ngemakhaya, understand, mina ngemakhaya sikhulume vele sicoce vele like abantu abasharp angifuni ucabanga abantu abasharp family esharp, you understand. I don't mind ukuthi ngaya futhi but ayingimisebenzi, you understand. Nakhona ayingimisebenzi, you understand, ayingalawo ma event lawo but like ifamily esharp. Okay sharp siphuze vele siphuze baletha ukudla vele hey sidle vele kube mnandi kube vibe, you understand, ama vibes anjalo, understand. After 2 hours yimi loyo ngiyahlanza vele futhi ngicala ngiphuma like igazi mina like akusumuntu bleeder empumulweni uphuma igazi ayibonyamanga ukuthi mina life inyama ngikazi ngaphuma igazi empumulweni, understand. Okay sharp and then after that ngiyacala vele ngiyavomita, understand. Futhi ngicabanga ukuthi ngivomithiswa utshwala because ngiphuzile, understand, but like angikaze mina ngavomithiswa utshwala, understand. So I was like what's happening maybe distance le plus utshwala plus ceda ukudla, understand, maybe kuningi. Ngivomithe vele ngivomite like 30 minutes ngisavomita and mangilo ngivomita kunezinye izinto eziphumayo, understand. So kuzabantu abadala like abogogo like ngiyabona ukuthi abogogo laba like abogogo like bayazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngiyacala ngiyavomita vele okay ngiyavomita 30 minutes ngiyazoba yakhuluma but angizi ukuthi bathi because sengicala ukuba weak, very weak, ngiba weak ngiphelelwa amandla ngivomite ngize ngicabanga nokuthi sengizoze ngiphume namathumbu, you understand. Okay ngiyavomita. So manje iyangithusa lento because ngiyenza ngathi ngifuna ukufenta, ngiyenza ngathi angina energy, ngiyenza ngathi angazi kwenzakalani guys. Yo it was very bad. Okay sharp and then mangicela ukuvomita ngihlale phansi vele ayibangikhela amanzi ngiphuze vele amanzi ngiphuze and then ngithi mina kumngane wami like sengiyakhala manje ukuthi I don't know what's happening with me and ngiyasaba ukushonela emizini yabantu cabanga sebababopha lapha ukuthi mina ngishonele lapha bangidliseni, you understand. So it's like to me ngicela ukuthi ngicelele kumama ukuthi ngicela ngingifunele transport, it's fine, I'll pay for it, you understand. Ngihambisene race at least ke ngikhulele race ngazi ukuthi nanoma ngigula ngizofonela kithi bayizibuzongilanda, you understand. Angifuni kunifake like inkinga and I'm sorry for causing lento lena, you understand. Okay sharp amtshela vele mama kabuye vele ngitholile like transport kaphathi wakhe bangihambise same time like kuvele kwaphela nalowo mcimbi lo nkosi yami maka mina ngiyabhora yazi kuvele kwaphela nalowo mcimbi lo because abantu bathukile ukuthi like umuntu wahlaza for isikhathi esingaka kwenzakalani, you understand. Okay sharp bangihambise vele bangise rest mabangise rest ungathwali. Okay I'm sorry bangihambise rest mabangihambise rest. Okay sifike vele around Ntathakusa nyana so Ntathakusa. Okay singene vele mangena bangenise vele ngene ingubeni. Okay sharp bangene ingubeni ngezizwa manje ukuthi ngiweak guys, I'm very weak, I'm very ngiyagula ngiyagula ngikhale vele ngikhale ngiyasaba nokufona endlini because bazothi ubuyaphi ubuya abavele bangishaye nje nami ukuthi like wena wayuhamba nje ama event obanye kwenzakalani ngawe what's happening okay shabu ngiphuza amanzi vele ngiphuza amanzi ngidoze off ngilala mangilala after buma 3 hours ngibe ne yabona something like sleep paralysis something like that sleep paralysis vele yeah lento ukuthi ufuna ukuvuka but ungakhoni mangithi ngiyazama ukuvuka akuvukeki guys ngiyazama ukuvuka akuvukeki and lento ngifila ngathi lento engiyibonayo labantu engibabonayo abangenza like I can't say ukuthi ngiboneni ne but lento engiyibona ngiyayibona live but ngiyaphila mina like ngiyaphila wayengibona izinto ezinje wena isithusayo kanje wena and ngiyaphila like ngifuna ukuvuka but angikhona ukuvuka but like ngiyazibona at the same time mara angiboni understand kumnyama but ama-blinds amalentuzane wami yini ama-blinds lawa ne awavalwa so kwami kuyakhanya vele because ngitatha ukuthi maybe it's around 6 manje kuyakhanya ngaphandle but kumnyama eroomini lami angiboni like understand kwenzakalani and angengikhona ukusho angengikhona ukuntshela ukuthi ngiboneni okay shabu like ngiyazi ukuthi like nami I'm fighting nami ngiyathandaza I'm fighting like angifuna ukuzibona izinto lezi but ngiyazibona ziyenzeka understand ngiyazibona ngiyazenza lezinto lezi okay shabu ngiyazama ukuvuka ngize ngikhona ukuvuka fully khali ngiyakhala vele ngiyathandaza ngiyakhala okay sharp ngiyakhala like ngiba sharp ngiba okay ngiyasaba ukufona kids guys ngiyafuna ukuvetsa but angikhoni ukutshela okay cool and then after that kube like a normal day and then after ngifonela with this other guy he used to be my favorite ex understand mangimfonela bengitatazela nje ngiyatatazela makafona ngiyatatazela angazi ngithini ngikhuluma izinto ezibhedayo ngikhuluma ngikuba love back in but that day is I think it's that day because izolo into le yenzeka izolo makafona I was like ufunani like uyangidina unesidina uyangidina mangithi ngibheka ama conversation like him lo ama paragraph angaka lo ngiyabona uphendula ngabe okay alright so buyela lesikhathi bese ngiyabona ukuthi manje kwenza like ngifika ngilahlekelwe ingcondo but ngilahlekelwe ingcondo ngiyazikhumbula but izinto ngizikhumbula but ngiyazikwathela ukuthi like why ngayenza njalo understand abanye abangani bangiblockile ngabe hey I don't know what's happening. I don't know ukuthi kuzochubeka kanjani wena sangazi kuzochubeka kanjani ngisezolala kahle kwenzakalani like angazi kwenzakalani guys so I don't know ngizenzela ne updates nje ukuthi kwenzakalani life nami but like kunjalo so angikhulumi bad about ukuthi ngidle something khabo mngani wami but like after mangicela like why ngibona izinto ezinjena